Eroxon Gel. You've seen the ads everywhere, on TV, online, maybe even popping up on your social feeds when you least expect it. The promises sound almost too good to be true, right? Maybe you even took the plunge and bought it, hoping this little tube would be the answer to your prayers and bring a spark back to your bedroom life. But, after giving it a shot, you're left scratching your head, wondering why it's just not working the way you thought it would. Maybe you feel let down, or even a bit embarrassed. If that sounds familiar, trust me, you are not alone. So many guys are in the exact same boat, feeling frustrated and unsure of what went wrong. In fact, most guys who try Eroxon Gel end up disappointed. And honestly, it's almost always because of one simple mistake that's super easy to fix. Here's the deal. Eroxon Gel isn't some magic potion you just slap on and forget about. It's not a quick fix that works no matter what you do. The real problem? Most guys are applying it all wrong and they don't even realize it. So, what's the number one mistake? Rushing the application. People get impatient, thinking faster is better, but that's not how this works. Yep, it sounds simple, but it's actually a huge deal. This one step can make or break your results. Eroxon Gel is designed to be absorbed into the skin, not just sit on the surface like a lotion. If you don't give it time, it can't do its job. If you're putting it on right before the action, you're missing the window of opportunity. The gel needs a little time to work its magic. The gel needs about 60 seconds, just 1 minute, to really get absorbed and start working. So, you have to apply it ahead of time and rub it in gently but thoroughly. Don't just slap it on and hope for the best. Think of it like this. You don't throw a steak on a cold grill and expect it to sizzle instantly, right? You need to let things heat up first. Same deal here. Give the gel a little time to do its thing. Massage the gel in, let it absorb, and then just relax for a minute. Take a few deep breaths, distract yourself, and let the product do what it's supposed to do. That's when you'll start to notice the difference. It's subtle at first, but you'll feel it if you give it a real chance. Another mistake? Using too much or too little. The instructions are there for a reason, and following them can make all the difference. One thin, even layer is enough. There's no need to drown yourself in the stuff or skimp and barely use any. Going overboard doesn't double the effect. It just wastes product and can even cause irritation. On the flip side, using too little means you won't get the results you're hoping for. And here's a pro tip. Don't combine Eroxon Gel with other creams, lotions, or oils. Mixing products can mess with how well the gel is absorbed and might even cause skin irritation. That can mess with absorption and even cause irritation, which is the last thing you want when you're trying to boost your confidence. Stick to the script and keep it simple. Use only Eroxon Gel as directed, and don't complicate things by adding other products into the mix. If you're still not seeing results, check the expiry date on your tube. Old gel loses its potency over time, and using expired product is a common but overlooked mistake. And finally, don't expect miracles if there are deeper health issues at play. Sometimes, the problem isn't the product, but something else going on with your health. If you've tried everything and still aren't seeing results, that's when it's time to talk to a doctor or healthcare professional. They can help you figure out if there's an underlying issue that needs attention. So, to recap, apply Eroxon Gel the right way. Use the right amount, not too much and not too little. Follow the instructions every single time. Give it time to absorb, at least 60 seconds. Don't rush and don't get impatient. Let the gel do its job. Don't mix it with other stuff, and don't try to get creative with combinations. Simplicity is key here, and don't skip a health check if things still aren't working. Sometimes, a quick chat with your doctor can make all the difference. Don't let one tiny mistake sabotage your confidence or your progress. You deserve to feel your best, and sometimes it's just about getting the basics right. Get the basics right, and you might just be surprised by the results. Small changes can lead to big improvements, and you'll thank yourself for sticking with it. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, hit me with your questions in the comments. And most importantly, don't forget to take care of yourself. You've got this.